O, gawin mo na yung ano mo. Papakita natin to kay mami, o. Gagawin mo na to, o. Draw a line daw. Line from E, big letter E, and then E. Come on. Sky. O. Smile. Hello, sabi mo. Magsabi ka, hello. Ayan, o. Nag-i-school na si Baby Sky. Yes. O, ayan. And meron sila doon. Ayan. Meron silang TV, monitor, pag ano nila. Ayan. At doon nag-aaral si Sky ng mga letters, di ba? Doon. At ito yung kanyang mga crayons. Crayons ni Sky, crayon 1, and then crayon 2. Dalawang crayons ni Sky. Oh, yan. Oh. Yariin mo na yung ano mo, assignment mo, o yung ano mo, oh. Oh, yariin mo na to. Halika na. Aka na, lagay mo lang dyan sa ibabaw. Ako, ayaw na ayaw mawawala yung kanyang bag. Yan. And ito ang kanilang room. Actually, sa iba yata yung room niya. Nabakante lang to at since si Sky ay medyo hindi pa kampante, medyo crying time pa. Kaya dito muna siya alone. Pero pagka pwede na, acquainted na sila sa ibang ano, sa ibang bata. Makikipag-kaibigan. Eka nga get together with other kids, other pupils. Yan, okay?
Gusto niya. Yay! Clean up the sky.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Tinatanggal pa niya yung kuntil.
Go, fast! Sige po. Wait lang po ha. Okay po. Pahiram din ako niyang step. Papalaro natin kay Kuya Luis, ha? Louder. Again. 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 Oh, don't sing, don't sing. Okay na si Sky. Wow, very good. Iwan mo na kita dyan sa nila. Ha? Meron ka lang dyan, ha? Meron ka lang dyan.
Ayan, good morning. Sabihin mo.
Good morning.
Yes. O, yan. Nag-aaral na si Sky. O. Yan. At gumawa siya ng letter at napakagaling niya. Okay, I will sit down. And here, oh, ang galing siya ang gumawa talaga. Okay. Gumawa siya ng letters, alphabet. O, diba? Siya ang gumawa niyan. And anong pang kulang natin? X, Y. Anong next? Anong next? O, ilagay mo na yun. Kada, kuha. Oh, G. Okay, okay, okay. Wow! Good job!
Good job.
Ay, nawala. Teka, nawala. Good job! Yay! Ang galing! Ang galing ng apo ko, si Sky, Nathan, Belen. Sky, Nathan, Paulo, Belen. Good job! Ang galing niya talaga. Guys, natutuwa ako sa apo ko. Oh. At 4 years old, alam niya lahat. And gagawa ka naman ng boy, ng dog. Sige, mag-compose ka ng ng mga word. Okay? Compose. Sky, lagay mo yung boy. Spell boy. Come on. Op, tsala. Careful. Careful, Sky. O, ilagay mo na yung ano dito. Ilagay mo dito yung boy. Lagay mo yung boy. Sky, lagay mo yung boy dito. O, binibidyohan kita.
Okay, another one. Slowly, small letter K. Okay, next. Oh, letter J. J. Yan, small letter, big letter. Big letter J. Jar. Next one. Left and right ka pa na mag-right. Okay. Close. J. Okay. Wow, very good. Another one. Big letter. Okay, small letter. J. Okay, how about letter L? Big letter, small letter. Use only one hand. Okay, big letter L, small letter L. Last one. Small letter, big letter. What is this? Spell jug. Spell jug. J. Next. And very good. How about this? Can you read? Key. So spell the word key. K. Spell the word K. Key. K. E-Y. How about this? What's this? What animal is this? Ito. Lion. Spell the word lion. L. Very good.
Good job.
Okay, good job. How about this one? Shapes. Where's the circle here? Oh, and this one? Where is the sky? Let's read.
Hello.
Hi, Paul. Sister Fritzy is here now. Okay. Sister Fritzy will be your teacher. The next one, let's read. Let's read first. Before we will color. This one, we will read first. Red. Where's the rectangle here? Where's the rectangle? Color the shape rectangle. Color it well. Dapat dahan-dahan lang. Mag-shade. Walang lalampas. Slowly. Okay, good job. Next, let us read. Next one. Wala pa. Ito muna. Read. Square. Where's the square here? Saan ang square dito? Dito muna tayo. Saan yung square? Here. Saan yung square dito? Where's the square? Here. Okay. Very good. Color the shape square. Dito tayo. Ayan. Color it well. Shade mo. Dahan-dahan. Ayan. Galing-galing pala ni Sky mag-shade eh. Slowly. Okay. Next one. Read. Star. Where's the star? Star. Here. Where's the star here? Spell the word star. S. Wait. S. Next. Ano sunod sa S? Ano next sa S? Next with the T. R. Very good. So what is the color of the star? Yellow. Do you have your yellow crayon? Yellow. Okay lang, small. Yellow. Get the color yellow. Dali, in your bag. Check your bag. Yes, check your bag if you have color yellow. Okay, kasi yung star yellow, so we will color it yellow. Check your bag. Baka meron dyan color yellow. Sige na.
Kunin mo daw anak yung crayon mo, Sky, get your crayon.
Yellow.
Sky, sumunod kay teacher. Dali, kunin mo yung bag mo. Kunin mo yung crayon.
Ano na yan siya? Lagyan natin si Sky ng wait lang, Sky ha. I'll give you scissors and glue ha.
Wow, ang galing. Oh, maliliitan mo lang. No, wag mong guluhin. Magagalit si teacher.
Okay,
Ayan,
come
oh.
on.
Ayan na si teacher.
Sky, are you under this one, Sky? You can't cut this first. What letter? B. Where are you going to put B? Where are you going to put letter B?
Oh, lagay mo raw yung B. Anak.
Here.
Tawag ka ni teacher, dali. Ay, tawag ni teacher. Yay! Ang galing. Yay! O, dali. Tawag ni teacher. O, dali. O, put daw yun. O, scissor. O, may scissor ka. O, galing, o. O, ang galing, o. Sky, o.
Sky. Ito, Sky,
O, may scissor ka, o. Sky, o.
Come here, Come here. Where's the scissors?
O, dali. Didikit mo doon. Dali. Didikit mo doon. Dali, o.
The scissors. Ayan. Come here, Sky. Ito, Sky, Look at sister, I will trace this first,
O, dali, o. Tawag ka ni teacher.
Si Sky, mag-trace na lang. Mag-trace na lang. Come here. You trace na lang.
Sky, sunod kay teacher, ha? Tawag ka ni teacher.
Sige, maglalaro na lang muna si Sky.
Tawag ka ni teacher.
Who owns this crayon? Is this yours?
No po.
Is this your crayon?
No po, inabutan lang po namin dyan.
Okay. Blue? Does this color blue? No, I think no. What do you want? Yellow or pink? There is! Yay! There is color blue.
Yay!
Oh, next, what letter? Letter E, blue. Yay! After letter E is blue. Okay, blue is the K blue. Is the letter K blue?
G
Where
blue.
are you? Where are you, letter K? Color blue? I know. I think no.
Letter.
There is no. I think there's no letter K that is color blue. Another color na lang. Another color. What do you want? Orange? Orange?
Ayun.
Okay.
K ba or G?
Ayaw niya. Doesn't like the cutting. No, I didn't want. Come on. Let's continue. Gigising.
O, ayan, Sky. Nagre-recess na si Sky, o. Meron na siyang Big 250 at meron siyang ano, ayan, Wena. Nagre-request na. Okay, may please. Open, please. Say it. Open, please. Open, please. Say it. Okay. So, ayan, nakatapos na naman kami ng pan-day, ano na natin, Sky. Ayan, at uuwi na naman uli. At marunong na mag-recess. Naghahanap na siya ng kanyang, naghahanap na ng kanyang recess. Sabi niya, Oreo. So, yan, again, uwian na. And ito yung school niya. Ayan, go na. Sige. At ako'y mag-jeepney. Bye! Bukas uli Sky. Again, tomorrow papasok tayo Sky, yes po. Sagot.
Yes po.
Yes po. Tomorrow again. Bye.
Yes po. Bye.
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 I love you, Sky. Okay.
I love you.
O, ingat kayo, anak.